Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you kitchen must-haves, few essential items that I cannot live without and everybody needs to have this in their kitchen, and I'll show you a few decorative items as well to make your kitchen look beautiful and clean. So without further ado, let's get started. This is a revolving spice rack or a spice container or a masala box if you will, and it consists of 16 jar and it rotates because it has a revolving set to it. And this is how it looks. It comes in different colors like white, brown. However, I chose the silver one because it looks pretty elegant. This revolving spice rack set keeps your kitchen clean and tidy by storing the spice collection in one place. Now, these small containers that you see, they are made up of plastic. However, it is a very good plastic. They don't wear and tear. So this is highly recommended. This is another inexpensive spice rack that I keep for my kitchen. It is made up of wood and has a glass lid to it. It comes with 9 compartments where you can keep your turmeric, salt, cumin powder and everything, so that you can have everything at one place. They are extremely easy to clean. You can clean them with your regular dishwasher and you can keep it under the sun to dry them out. Next up, I have this mason jar with some pebbles in it just for decor purpose. I keep this just to decor my kitchen so that it looks beautiful. And I have this artificial flower bunch as well that I keep inside this mason jar. If you want to purchase any items that I show in this video, you can click on the description box. I have linked everything down below. Click on the description box, follow the link, and you can purchase all the items shown in this video. Moving right along, next up I have this white orchid artificial flower with a pot. It is again for decoration purpose only. It looks extremely beautiful at night. Next up, I have this steel towel holder. This is a steel cup holder for your kitchen. It can store 12 standard size teacups. Next up, I have this multi-purpose serving and cooking spoon set, which comes in brown, in light brown colors. They are versatile for cooking and serving. They are made up of wood, and they are non-abrasive and can be used with non-stick ware. Next up, I have this very useful stainless steel knife set. It comes with a boning knife, utility knife, steak knife, paring knife, and a scissor, and a wooden block to store all of them. Next up, I have this funky looking bar accessory. This is a bottle opener. It also has a wine bottle corkscrew opener as well. It can remove corks effortlessly, and it is very quick and easy to use, and it has metal screws attached to it. Last but certainly not the least, I have this elegant looking brown and white jars. It came in a set of two. I have five of them. I can store anything and everything in them. Usually I store sugar, salt, pepper in them. You can also store herbs, spices, a pickle as well. They are made up of ceramic and they look extremely beautiful. And with this, we have come to an end of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, do not forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. And I'll see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.